Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from the rest of us? It's not just about having a lot of money. Today, we're diving into the secrets that can provide valuable insights into wealth-building strategies and personal finance. Let's uncover these secrets together. Billionaires possess a unique mindset that goes beyond mere financial wealth. It's about adopting a perspective that embraces challenges and sees opportunities where others see obstacles. This mindset involves a focus on long-term goals, resilience, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. It's not about luck. It's about strategic thinking and execution. Contrary to popular belief, most billionaires aren't just born into wealth. They've worked tirelessly to reach their status, facing numerous challenges along the way. It's not about being a genius or having a groundbreaking idea. It's about perseverance and the relentless pursuit of their goals. Their journey is a testament to hard work and determination. Billionaires are masters of smart financial strategies. They focus on long-term wealth building rather than short-term gains. This involves careful planning, smart decision-making, and understanding the nuances of investments. They know that becoming a billionaire isn't about taking huge risks, but making informed and calculated financial decisions. Networking is a crucial element in the billionaire playbook. Building relationships with other successful individuals opens doors to new opportunities and collaborations. These connections can provide insights, support, and resources that are invaluable on the path to success. It's about creating a strong network that can propel you forward. Billionaires are lifelong learners, constantly seeking new knowledge and opportunities. Their daily habits, such as waking up early, exercising, and reading, contribute significantly to their success. These habits foster productivity and creativity, enabling them to stay ahead in their fields. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of their journey. One of the most surprising secrets is the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. By investing early and consistently, billionaires harness its power to grow their wealth exponentially. Even small, regular investments can accumulate into substantial amounts over time, transforming financial futures. In summary, the secrets to billionaire success include the right mindset, perseverance, smart financial strategies, networking, lifelong learning, and understanding compound interest. By applying these principles, you can set yourself on a path toward financial success. What do you think is the most important secret? Share your thoughts in the comments below.